Hike!
Super Bowl, man, it's just around the corner. 70,000 in the stadium, 100 million watching the game, and over 500 million minutes of live streaming. Are your campaigns ready for this? You want your ads to score in the big game, you're gonna need some foolproof tips. Here are 3.
1. What to promote? Naturally, verticals closely related to the Super Bowl hype like sports betting, e-commerce, streaming, or Nutra. 2. Where to promote? Surefire solutions at English-speaking countries like the US, UK, Australia, and Canada. There will be some tight competition with those. The second group is Latin America, including Mexico, Brazil, and Argentina. This year's halftime show will definitely bring some Latin vibes. Europe, the good old continent, is group number 3, with countries like Spain, Germany, France, Austria, and Belgium. Also, let's not forget group number 4, with 2 big spenders, Saudi Arabia and South Korea. 3. How to promote it? Push traffic's great. Everybody will be checking their phones, so let's go for mobile targeting. Also for desktop, use POP and domain traffic. To ensure a touchdown with POP, run sweep and sport betting offers, while domain redirect scores high in the streaming and e-commerce angles. Also, remember to match your ads with the Super Bowl theme for better engagement. But be careful of copyright infringements.
Got it? Good. Now it's time to kick off your campaigns. See you around, champ.